This 2024 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 303 RKDSLE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 36 feet 11 inches in length and features a driftwood interior, sleeps 4, auxiliary battery, awning, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, spare tire kit, oven, water heater, microwave, slide-out, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 303 RKDSLE is 8,384 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.